What are the most common video call mistakes?
Many people make avoidable errors on video calls. These include joining late, forgetting to mute when not speaking, ignoring background distractions, wearing casual attire, and not checking technology before the meeting. Each of these mistakes can impact how professional and attentive you appear online. Let's explore these slip-ups and learn the best ways to avoid them.
How can you avoid joining late?
Being late to a video call can seem disrespectful. To avoid this, check your calendar regularly, set reminders, and log in a few minutes early. Make sure your meeting software is up to date to prevent last-minute issues. Arriving early allows you to settle in and shows respect for everyone's time.
Why is muting important during a call?
Forgetting to mute your microphone can cause distracting noises. Background sounds, typing, or even small movements can be heard by everyone. To avoid this, mute yourself when you're not speaking. Most platforms have an easy-to-find mute button. Unmute only when needed, so everyone can focus on the conversation.
How can you manage your background?
A messy or noisy background can be distracting and look unprofessional. Choose a quiet location with a neutral background for your calls. Close doors and windows to reduce noise, and ask others in your space for privacy. Many platforms also offer virtual backgrounds, which can help if you don't have a suitable real one.
What should you wear on video calls?
How you dress sends a message even online. Wearing pajamas or casual clothes can come across as unprofessional. Choose attire similar to what you'd wear for an in-person meeting. Solid colors often look better on camera than busy patterns. Dressing appropriately helps you feel confident and makes a good impression.
How do you check your technology before a meeting?
Technical problems can delay or disrupt your call. Always test your camera, microphone, and speakers beforehand. Ensure your internet connection is stable and keep your software updated. If possible, join a test meeting or use built-in checks. This preparation reduces stress and helps your meeting start smoothly and professionally.